Chuku, come to me in East Los Angeles, California, USA, and in Carson, in Serenity Recuperative Care Facility, recuperative care, in all states in USA, in NATO, in Canada, in Israel, in Nigeria, in Africa, Europe, Asia, Middle East, American continent, in Italy, in Rome, in Vatican City, in St. Peter's Basilica, to take Akaotule, Ofor, and Okuku Calabash, truth spirit, more Eziokwu, truth spirit, and the way, the truth and life. Nobody comes to through the Father. Nobody comes to the Father except through me. That spirit, the Akaotule power, and the Okuku Calabash energies, spirit truth. I use male cow, female cow, roosters, hens, rams. You can get mother go 33, 22, 33 coronas to capture all the powers, all the Akaotule power, Ofor power, and Okuku Calabash, spirit truth. Skyrocket it on sun, moon, all universe, all planets, stars, galaxies, cosmos, solar system, infinity, orbit. Stand them up on all land or ocean, in family, generation, ancestry, worldwide. Transfer to USA, NATO, all good countries. Canada, Israel, Ukraine, Nigeria, Africa, Europe, Asia, Middle East, American continent. Transferred and surrendered to Pope Francis, Peter Seat, St. Peter Basilica, Catholicism, all churches, Hinduism, Buddhism, all religion, to Freemasonry, Amok, Rosicrucian, Ekis, Ikanka, Oboni, all lodges, all crafts, transfer to them, transfer to all family, generation, ancestry, all hospitals, psych ward, dental, recuperative, and all places, transfer, spirit truth, skyrocket, we use water, boil egg, food, drink, cigarette weed to welcome your power, authority, and manifestation into our body. Somebody will be say, Peter Nkwuaku.